Thank you so much for stopping in today to see what I am up to. I have a heavy box here, and this is from American Influencer Awards, or the AIA Beauty Bundle. I literally just slit the tape on this. It just arrived, and this is a monthly subscription box. I'll show you. It says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. This box is heavy. We do have a little card here. This is $34 a month, free shipping to the U.S. And I think they started in September of 2021, going monthly. Good thing they did. These are great, great boxes. You have access to new brands or new influencers in each box, and it's like a brand takeover for each month. And they value at least $100 for each box, and they do donate $1 for each box to charity, which I love, love, love. I did see $34 a month. I don't know if I said that. I thought I saw somewhere where they might be going up to $38, and I don't know when that's coming up, if that's April or something like that. I saw something and I wrote it down, and then I couldn't find it, and I'm like, oh, where did I see that? So this month's box is Keys Soulcare. And I had no idea when I saw this, and it does have, you know, a list of products and prices, that this was Alicia Keys. No idea whatsoever. And a leading dermatologist. So it's her and a dermatologist started this skincare line. Seems like a lot of celebrities, you know, whether it's film or TV or music, are starting skincare lines. And if this is what they love, you know, they have to use product too. I don't mind that. I just had no idea when I saw this that it was Alicia Keys. So this is everything in the box. This is a heavy, heavy box. I don't even know where to start. So I'm just going to grab this first one out right here. And this is Golden Cleanser. Ooh, let me see. They're all sealed, so let me just keep this out. Oh, there are no... Oh, yeah, there are prices. I thought there were no prices. I want to say no. Don't make me look it up. Golden Cleanser is... Which one's... $20. Okay, that's not bad. A delicate, soothing face cleanser that gently purifies your skin and your spirit with antioxidant-rich, hydrating Manuka honey and calming turmeric. Okay, let's get this open and see what everything looks like. I'm curious just to see what her packaging looks like. It looks neat in the pictures. Okay, let me just put this back. Glass. I'm going to hold that carefully. Nice. And a nice pump. Do we have like expiration dates? I'm curious as to how long this stuff is good for. I don't know. I mean, it might be on here somewhere. I just have to find it. It has to be on here somewhere. Maybe on this. I have... It says pump into wet hands and work into a gentle lather. Gently massage over face and neck. Rinse with warm water. Use morning and night. Nice. I mean, this is, and that's full. I mean, you guys can't see it, but I can with the bright lights. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. Ooh. And her box is purple to match the purple glass product. Let's get that back in there carefully. $20. That's a big, that's 5.75 fluid ounces, or 170 ml. That's a decent size. Let's just grab the next item, and this is Promise Serum. Let's see what this is. This is $25. A lightweight brightening facial serum with niacinamide, if I could say that, zinc, PCA, and snow mushroom that helps control oil levels for a balanced, healthy looking complexion. 1.01 fluid ounces, or 30 ml. I like that everything is sealed. Let's just pop this open. There he is right next to me. Nicely packaged. Like, everything is in here to stay safe. And that's what this looks like right here. Another glass And this is a dropper. I don't know if there's a seal on it. No. So let's see the consistency. I'll put some in the dropper. It's a clear. So it's a thin serum. Just put a little bit. Oh, I don't want to waste. So I just put a little bit on my back of my hand. Oh, that feels nice. Not sticky, which is nice. Wow. And it's in. Like, my hand's dry. It absorbed quick. I mean, my hands are very dry. It's a brightening facial serum. Okay. No scent, really. Kind of hard because I have lotion on. No, I don't smell anything. I mean, that's gone. Yeah, I don't see a difference on my, just because I have lotion on, so it's kind of hard to, but that feels, this still feels smooth, but this hand feels just a little bit smoother. Oh, that's nice. I'm excited to try this stuff. Did I tell you the price? $25. The next thing is a Reviving Aura Mist. Right here's the package. Reviving. Okay, did I mess something up? Oh no, I see. This looks like this is $22. Let me just slit everything open here and pop these packages. I'm excited. How's the weather where you guys are? I mean, it's starting to get nice here, but we've had nothing but rain. And it's like a big downer. That's what this looks like. The Reviving Aura Mist. And this should be, yes, a little like spray. Let me see right here. Let's see what the... spa-like. That's what I get out of that. Oh, that smells nice. Let's read this. A naturally rose-scented, revitalizing face mist spray and toner. Formulated with Rose of Jericho and witch hazel. Witch hazel is great for your skin. I guess that is rose. I didn't smell that at first. $22. I mean, fairly priced, I believe. Oh, another big box. This is Be Luminous Exfoliator, and this is $22. So it seems like a full line. Cleanser, exfoliator, a mist. What else did we open? A serum. Ooh, another beautiful bottle. This $22. Exfoliate your skin with this restorative water-activated exfoliating powder for the complexion. Am I reading the right thing? Formulated with, what kind of powder? Hojicha? I have no idea. Powder, lactic acid, mung beans, and oats. Is this a powder? Truly a powder? Yes, it is a powder. Like, you take the stopper out, and I can see the powder inside. Let me see the size of this. That lasts a long time. 2.29 ounces or 65 grams on that one. Wow, a powder. I think it was Dermalogica that I had a powder exfoliator. Very, very nice. You don't need a lot of it. $22. Fairly priced. We still have more. And this is a comforting balm right here. This is $12. A soothing skin balm for the face and body. Formulated with camellia seed oil, Rose of Jericho, avocado oil, and shea butter. Let's get this open. We still have one more after this. There are lots of goodies in this box. Of course, I don't have my phone near me to give you value, but I will put that in, at the end of the video. So this is on keys on the top, so that's the size. Let's see. I can never get these things open. They're on so tight coming from the factory, but let's see. I smell something. I'm not sure what. I don't know if that's like vanilla or I smell something. Apply generously to where the skin needs dryness relief. Use as often as desired. That's just, I don't like sticking my finger and stuff like that. Sometimes I put a, okay, that feels nice. It doesn't have a scent. I keep on smelling my own hand lotion. Ugh. Okay, that doesn't have, there's no scent in this. That's nice, and that is 0.26 or 7.5 grams. That feels nice. And then the last box here is a Radiant Eye Cream. Nice. We got a good variety of products here. Let me just see if I can get some of these off the table here. So I have some room. I mean, these are big. 3 of them are huge boxes. And let's see what this one looks like. Another little pot. So here, let me get, oh, it says keys on the front. So this is the size of the pot, and this is the Radiant Eye Cream, $28. The balm, $12, if I didn't say that. This balm is a hydrating under eye cream that locks in moisture and helps improve the look of the let me start this over. A hydrating under eye primer that locks in moisture and helps improve the look of fine, dry lines. Peptides, sunflower seed oil, and gold foil must be inside. Let's open her up. Now, I don't want to waste any of that, and I don't want to put my finger in that to see, but I'm excited to try all this. Now, these are pretty bottles to display, pretty purple. I mean, if it, you know, that's a good way to look at it. You can, you know, if you have something pretty to display for $34, I definitely think this is worth it. $22, $25, $28 for the eye cream, $12 for the balm, $22 for the mist, and $20 for the cleanser. I definitely think. Great, great box. I'm not always loving all the skincare, just because we get so much, but I'm excited to try her skincare. And like when I saw Keys, I didn't even give it a thought. I mean, I know who Alicia Keys is, but this is her skincare line along with a leading dermatologist, so she's doing it with a physician, which is nice. And here's everything in the box. This was a heavy box for sure. Let me know your thoughts on this down in the comments below. Do you like when all these celebrities get involved with makeup and, you know, give them Lala and Lady Gaga and Alicia and, you know, the Kardashians? Like, there's just endless list of them. Or does it not bother you? I personally don't care. As long as you give us good products at a fair price. I appreciate all you watching. A big thank you to my channel members. And if you are interested in being a channel member, there is a link in my description box to click on that. It'll take you to where the information is. It doesn't automatically sign you up. I also have a birthday card club in my description box. Just follow the instructions there. Send me an email. I mail birthday cards out to you. Just as a little extra special touch for your birthday or birthday month, however you want to handle it. Do not send me your birth year. You can say, I am born April, mid-April. In April, middle of the month. In April, end of month. Good enough for me. You don't have to tell me April 15th. However you would like to do it, but I do not want the year you were born. Protect that information. Don't share that with people because you don't need to. You could just say I'm an April baby. And I'll mail it at the end of March. You'll have it for the entire month of April. I'm perfectly fine with that. Does not matter where you live. It's a stamp. A U.S. stamp or an international stamp. And I can mail you a card. So if you're interested in those, information is always in my description box. And if you have not subscribed, please do. I love getting new members to the channel. It's my pleasure to have you. And let's try to grow this channel a little bit this year for 2022. Trying my best, and I appreciate every one of you. So have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.